Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we'll uncover some valuable insights about property management maintenance requests. We'll discuss why certain requests are more common than others, how to prevent these issues, and strategies for making the process smoother for everyone involved. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned. You're about to learn some game-changing tips. Let's talk about the most common maintenance requests in property management. Generally, these are plumbing and HVAC repairs. They can be as simple as a dripping faucet or as complex as a faulty HVAC system. You might think these issues are inevitable, and they're bound to pop up as you or your tenants use the property. But guess what? You can do much more than you think to prevent those last-minute or emergency calls. So, why are these the most common requests? The short answer is that these maintenance requests usually top the tenant's complaint list and are also the property owner's responsibility. If your property is older, its HVAC and plumbing systems might be nearing the end of their reasonable lifespan. On the other hand, if your property is newer, you might find that your tenants are more particular about their plumbing and HVAC systems. These systems are also the ones that are often patched up when problems recur, rather than undergoing a full-scale renovation. Now, you might be wondering, what can I do to stop these problems before they start? Well, apart from launching a renovation or replacing assets, especially in older properties, your best bet is to regularly maintain and service your rental properties. Your property maintenance team is a crucial ally in this process and should be treated as such. Remember, every property and its management team will differ, but regular maintenance is a must. And finally, how can you make the process easy for everyone? Most common maintenance requests revolve around HVAC or plumbing systems. So it's worth it to align with the people who repair these two home systems. Ensure your teams are ready to respond quickly. It's also crucial to outline a repeatable, well-known process for your tenants to send in their requests. This framework will make your lives easier. So there you have it. With these strategies, you can proactively manage common maintenance requests and keep your property in top shape. Thank you for watching. We've covered the most common maintenance requests in property management, how to prevent these issues, and strategies for making the process smoother. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you make your maintenance and operations tasks easier and more effective.